God chose Abraham because he was faithful in teaching his family to follow him, to follow God. We can read it from the book of Genesis 18, verse 19. That calling inspired the Seventh-day Adventists to build a Christian education system. From just one small school in 1880, the movement grew until today we have thousands of schools worldwide, teachings that every child deserves an education rooted in faith and preparation for eternity. So as a Seventh-day Adventist, we believe that Christian education isn't just about learning academically, but also it is a training for eternity. So that is the summary of our devotional from the book of George Knight, lest we forget. So don't forget our history, and to uh, don't forget to consider consider to send your children to our schools so that they can learn there and training in faith, growing in Jesus. Have a blessed day.